OPPO A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings. Now you need to scroll down, select face and passcode, tap on face over here and enter your current login method. When you're ready, choose enroll face and read the disclaimer. Then choose continue at the bottom and follow those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. If you wish to turn on Rise to turn on screen feature, click on OK. If you don't, just go with cancel. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!